Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 8 April 2021. So this analysis is for 8 April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 9 April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So in my previous video, I told you to short the market here. Okay. And if you have short the market, then hopefully you made a good money because this was your target. Okay. And if you're looking for a fresh entry right now, let's look at the chart and find out which will be the best trading opportunity. So if we just look at this chart right now, then the chart doesn't seem very clear to us. Okay. One thing is clear that yes, market has got resistance in this level. Okay, and in this level market has support. Okay, so if we just concentrate on this part, okay, if we concentrate on this part only, yeah if we concentrate on this part only, then we can tell that yes, market is in a range right now. Yes, market fell big time. Okay, after that market is in a range right now, and we all know that NZD USD was in a range for last couple of months. Let me show you. See, I have zoomed out the chart now. Okay. And as you can see, market was in range. Then market went up, came down, and market was in range again. Okay, and market fell and market is in range again. So this is just the theory of volatility contraction. Okay, as we all know, market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. As of now, the volatility in the market is low. So can we expect some good move? Yes, we can expect some good move. How can I tell? I can tell you from this chart. Let me show you the 1 week time frame. The 1 week time frame, the time frame of the big boys. Okay. Let me slide these lines. Okay, as you can see right now in the 1 week time frame or the weekly time frame, okay, there is no prominent support or resistance as of now available on the market, but we do see that previous week, okay, previous week market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Okay, not a typical hammer, but there was some price rejection from below. And before that also, if you just concentrate on this candle, we can see that market went up, but market saw some price rejection from below. So overall, if we consider the last 2 weeks, we can say that yes, market is getting some support from below. Okay, and looking at these candles, we can expect some move towards the upside. Okay, therefore we have a picture now. Let me draw these two lines again. So one thing is very clear to us right now that yes, this is a valid support. Okay, this is a valid support for the market. Okay, in case market comes down to this particular price level, then just observe the price. If you see price is bouncing back from here, okay, then you can easily go for a buy in this level, and you will get the confirmation that yes, it's a valid support. How? You'll get a confirmation in the form of a hammer or a green candle like this. Okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, it's a valid support, you can buy just above this line. Okay, it's a buy here. On the other hand, as of now, you can see that market is going up. Okay, so let the market go up. When market will be in this particular position, okay, if market reverses again, then you can short the market again, but be very careful. Market is trying to go up. We have seen the weekly chart. One thing is very clear from the weekly chart, that bulls are present in the market who are trying their best to take the price upward. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, see, to to make consistent profit from the market and to be on the market for many years, simply drawing lines and understanding the lines will not do. Okay, you'll have to understand the market psychology, and to understand the market psychology you need to understand the candles. I've shown you in the weekly chart that for last 2 weeks market tested this price level. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. For last 2 weeks market tested this price level, but market did not go down. Means someone is present here, someone is present here. Okay, means buyers are present here who did not allow the market go down. They tried to take the price upward, so they will be trying harder again to take the price upward again. Therefore, when market will reach this particular level, be very careful. Be very careful. In case you see that market is reversing from here, then once you get a confirmation in the form of a shooting star or price rejection from above or a fat red candle like this, once you get a confirmation you can short the market. Okay, and do not expect much. Okay, this will be a max target, and in case market crosses this level, okay, there is a good chance that market will be crossing this level also. In case market crosses this level, then just observe the market or observe the price for at least 3 to 4 hours and just try to understand how the price is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably above this level, okay, then you can easily go for a buy. Then you'll get a confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support now. And once the resistance becomes the support, you can easily go for a buy, because the resistance has become the support and you got your area of value. Okay, so these are the two trading entry levels, 1 and 2, for New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow, and do subscribe.